ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार। गत कक्षायाम् अद्यतनी कक्षा वस्तुतः श्रीनिवास पंचविंशत्युत्तर 500तमी 525th क्लास टुडे। मार्च मासस्य अन्तिमदिवसः। गतकक्षायां 4 श्लोकः पठितः वस्तुतः अस्माभिः। 46th पोएम वाज स्टडीड। तत्सम्बन्धी व्याकरणांशाः दृष्टाः, कोशः अपि समाप्तः आसीत्। अद्य तत्र विशेष कश्चन टिप्पणी वर्तते सती सप्तमी प्रयोग विषये। श्रीनिवास, तस्मिन् परिपोष्यमाणे सति, इफ इट इज नरिश्ड, when it is nourished, not necessarily if, when it is being nourished. Srinivas, tasmin pariposhyamane sati, when it is being nourished, that sense also you can take it. Ithameva, in this manner. Next one, tasmin agate sati. Tasmin agate sati, when he has, while he has come or when he has come. Tasmin agate sati. Tasmin pite sati. Several examples is given. Tasmin pite, when he had drunk. When he had drunk. Tasmin vijite sati, when he has won over. When he won over otherwise. Tasmin gnate sati, when that being known. While that being known, when that is known. Tasmin paritushte sati, when he is being happy. Content, when he is being content. Tasmin vigate sati, when he is gone. So tasyam agatayam satyam, when she had come. When she had come. Tasyam gnatayam satyam, when that particular aspect, whatever it is, has been known, is known. Tasyam vijitayam satyam, that being won over, when that is being won over. Tasyam pitayam satyam, when that, whatever it is, Strilinga this is. Tasyam pitayam satyam means when that, whatever is that. What is that? Tasya sa kimiti vayam na janima. Atra parantu ekam vakyam tatra udaharana rupena diyate. Tasyam pitayam satyam, when that is being drunk. Then tasyam paritustayam sati. Tasyam mahilayam paritustayam satyam, when that lady became happy, content. Tasyam gatayam, tasyam sitayam gatayam ramayam gatayam satyam, when that Rama had gone or left. So in this sense, these are Sati Saptami. Some other action takes place. Sati Saptami is always followed by something. Tasyam paritustayam satyam anya samasya utpanna. When she became content with this, another problem came in, or something like that. So two actions simultaneously occurring when this is used. Bhave sati saptami vibhakti vishayi. So sati saptami bhave sati, also some abstract cases also are reported, given here. So that you note. Next is Srinivas Abhyasa. Yes, Rajan Dudukshasi.
Rajan Dudukshasi yadi shiti dhenum
etam tena
adya vatsam iva lokam
amum pushana.
तस्मिन् च सम्यक् अनिशं
परिपोष्यमाणे
नानाफलैः फलति कल्पलता इव भूमिः.
So that is padacheda. Koshtakasthebhyah vadebhyah uchitam. Okay. Use the correct, pick the correct word here. Bhumihi dash palati. Vrikshaihi palati, nana jalaihi palati, nana phalaihi palati. Pick up the correct one.
नाना फलैः.
भूमिहि नाना जलैः न फलति वृक्षैः न फलति नाना फलैः न केवलं वृक्षैः फलति नाना फलैः फलति. अमुं डैश पुषाण प्रजां लोकं स्नेहं लोकम् अमुं लोकम् अमुं प्रजाम् इति न भवति स्नेहम् इति न भवति. तृतीयः डैश परिपोष्यमाणे सति. तस्याम् इति स्त्रीलिंग लिंग शब्दः तस्मिन् इति सप्तमी प्रयोगः तस्य इति षष्ठी प्रयोगः. अत्र परिपोष्यमाणे सति सप्तमी अस्ति इति कृत्वा तस्मिन् एव तस्मिन् दि भूमिः डैश इव फलति कल्पलता इव फलति माता इव फलति कल्पलता इव कल्पलता इव फलति. रिक्तस्थानपूरणं. हे राजन् यदि एतां दुधुक्षसि. एतां नाम किम्? क्षितिधेनुं दुधुक्षसि. क्षितिधेनुं तेन अमुं डैश पुषाण लोकं पुषाण तेन अमुं लोकं पुषाण. पोषण वर्ड comes from this पोषण nourishment. तस्मिन् डैश डैश डैश
सम्यक् अनिशं
परिपोष्यमाने सति. तस्मिन् सम्यक् इति अव्ययम् अनिशम् इति अव्ययम् परिपोष्यमाणे सति इति. भूमिः नानाफलं फलति नानाफलैः फलति. भूमिः नाना. चतुर्थांशः समादत्त आंसर. तेन अद्य के कम पुषाण. तेन अद्य लोकं पुषाण. भूमिः किं करोति? भूमिः नानाफलैः फलति इति प्रश्नद्वयमेव. विशेषणलेखनं. लोकः. व्हाट इज द विशेषण फॉर दिस एडजेक्टिव? न लोकः इति प्रथमायाम् अस्ति श्रीनिवास. लोकशब्दः प्रथमा विभक्तौ अस्ति. कः विशेषण शब्दः? वत्समिति द्वितीयान्तं भवति. अत्र वास्तविकपदं न प्रयुक्तम्. अत्र लोकमिति श्लोके अस्ति लोकः. द्वितीया विभक्तिः न प्रयुक्ता अत्र अस्य लोकशब्दस्य. द्वितीया विभक्तिः श्लोके अस्ति लोकम् अमुम् इति. यदि लोकम् अस्ति चेत् अमुम् इति विशेषणं भवति तत्र अधशब्दः. यदि लोकः अस्ति चेत् असौ. परिवर्तनं भवति खलु. सी लोकम् इस् द्वितीयान्त. Amum is accordingly dvitiyanta, other shabda. Here it is prathama, lokaha, prathama. So what will be the Visheshan adjective for this? Asau. You can't join different case. Amum you can't. Lokaha, amum doesn't match. So lokaha, asau. Instead of lokam, amum, you are shifting to prathama. From dvitiya to prathama he is given. Bhumihi. That is there as it is in the sloka. Kalpalata. That is. Tasmin. Pariposhyamane. Tasmin pariposhyamane iti. Tasmin iti loke. अस्मिन् लोके परिपोष्यमाणे. So one more. Etam
क्षितिधेनु.
Now this is Dvitiya. Etam Kshiti Dhenum. So only what this book has given, Lokaha Prathama it is given, instead of giving it in Lokam. So once again read the answers. Lokaha Asau Bhumihi Kalpalata Tasmin
परिपोष्यमाणे
Etam Kshiti Dhenum. Iti etani chatvari tatra विशेषण पदानि सन्ति. विशेष्य पदानां षष्ठांशः विग्रहवाक्य. क्षिति धेनुम्, ओनली वन इज गिवन. क्षिति धेनुः, धेनुम् सॉरी.
क्षितिः धेनुः
इव.
क्षितिधेनुः तां क्षितिधेनुः.
What is the samasa nama?
उत्तरपद
पूर्वपद उत्तर उपमान उत्तरपद. उपमान उत्तरपद कर्मधारय समास. क्षितिः धेनुः इव. Isn't it?
उपपद पूर्वक कर्मधारय.
That is upamana purvapada, uttarapada actually. This is not purvapada. Dhenuhu iva is there na. Kshitihi. Kathamasti kshitihi? Dhenuhu iva asti. Dhenu shabdah tatra upamavachaka shabdah asti. So upamana uttarapada karma dharaya samasa. There is a mistake we corrected na. We corrected. Upa pu karma upapada purvapada. There is no upapada purvapada karmadharaya. Upamana purvapada karmadharaya is there. Purvapada means the same. If you update kshiti dhenu is there na. Kshitihi iva dhenu. Suppose you give the vigrahavakya kshitihi iva dhenu. Then what karmadharaya it becomes? Upamana purvapada. You are comparing dhenu with kshiti. Here it is not the case. Kshiti, the bhumi is compared with dhenu. So upamana uttarapada karmadharaya samasa. Some people, grammarians called it is upamita samasa also it is called. Upamita samasa. But better is this. Only one. Sandhi vichedam sinva. Tena adya.
Tena plus adya savanadita.
Tasminscha.
Tasmin plus cha
Vyanjana sandhi. Kalpalateva.
Kalpalata plus
Iva. Kalpa. Guna sandhi. So one is savarna, vyanjana and guna sandhi. Traya sandhi. Sandhayaha. Ante antato gatva. Antaha. Antimaha. Ashtamaha amshaha. Yam bhumihi kada phalati. Samskritena uttaram dadatu likatu. Yeah, I can show them now or not.
हे राजन हे नृप यदि त्वं एनां सर्वाश्रयभूतां क्षितिधेनुं
गोसदृशीं
पृथिवीं दुधुक्षसि दोग्धुमिच्छसि तर्हि तेन हेतुना अद्य इदानीम् अमुं लोकं जनान् वत्सं तर्णकमिव पोषणपूर्वकं
पालय. हे राजन, हे नृप, यदि इफ त्वम भवान एताम सर्वाश्रय भूताम, दिस सर्वाश्रय भूताम which is the ashraya, refuge for all the living beings. सर्व भूतानाम आश्रय भूता, सर्व जीवानाम आश्रय भूतामिति. सर्वाश्रय भूताम नाम सर्व जीवानाम आश्रय भूता इयं पृथ्वी. एतादृशीं पृथिवीं सर्वाश्रय भूतां एनां क्षितिधेनुं, क्षितिः एव पर क्षितिधेनुं, धेनुरूप क्षितिं गोसदृशीमिति. क्षितिधेनूनां गोसदृशीं पृथिवीं दुधुक्षसि, दोग्धुम् इच्छसि. If you want to milk this cow like earth which is the which is the final resort, which is the resort for all the living beings. Tarhi means avyaya, then, tena also means same. Hetuna, by that reason, adya, today, onwards at today itself, right now, idanim amum lokam, enam lokam, etam lokam, janam, lokam namatra janam, janan, athava janan, vatsam tarnakamiva, like a calf, tarnak also means same, pushana nama, poshana purvakam palaya, pushana, toshaya, poshaya, palaya. So, take care of these people like a calf. Yeah.
Lokanashe nrupasya arthanashah iti bhava.
This is a saying, Lokanashe nrupasya arthanashah bhavati. So when people are lost, then king is also lost. Arthanashah nrupasya. King's economy is destroyed. Lokanashe. When people are not cared for, then exchequer of the treasury is marred. Treasury of the... So people have to be made happy. That is what our politicians are doing now, you know that. Free laptops, 50% cut in the power, then free water, free food, 5 rupees, etc. So many wonderful schemes are there in India. It's a case study for all political scientists, how politicians attract the voters by what are the incentives they would like to give once come to power. So they are very careful about this. Lokanashe nrupasya arthanasha iti bhavaha. Next.
Tasmin loke anisham nityam samyak
sucharu ritya uttama prakarena
paripushyamane paripalyamane sati bhumihi kshitihi kalpalateva kalpavalliva nana phalaihi aneka prakaraihi sasyadi rupaihi phalaihi phalati nishpadayati sampurna
bhavati. Tasmin loke, tasmin jane, when that people, anisham nama nityam, perpetually, samyak, sucharu ritya, in a good way, in a beautiful way, in a good manner, uttama prakarena iti, sucharu ritya nama, uttama prakarena, paripushyamani, paripalyamani, when the people are being looked after nicely, by the king, bhumihi, kshitihi, the earth, kalpalateva, like a divine creeper, fulfilling creeper, kalpalata or kalpavalli, nana phalaihi, with various fruits, aneka prakaraihi, sasyadi rupaihi, with various, not only fruits but various crops, sasyadi rupaihi, phalaihi, with various crops and fruits, phalati, it yields, it results, nama nishpadayati, it brings about so much of production in the form of various crops and fruits, and sampurna kshitihi sampurna bhavati, the earth becomes fulfilled, full with yield. Next.
Prithvi ratnagarbha tathyate tani ratnani tasya
uddhartum
rajnya
prajapalanam apekshaniyam
tenaiva prajodharana sambhava.
Prajodharana, there is a mistake there. Prajodharana sambhava. Pa has come, pra should be there. Prithvi ratnagarbha katyati vasundhara iti anyat namadeyam asti prithviya paryaya padam asti. Vasundhara, vasuni dharati, nana rakani vasuni tatra prithvyam santi iti vasundhara, vasuni dharati, it holds the wealths. Vasu means wealth. Vasumati iti anyat namadeyam asti prithvyah, vasumati vasundhara. Nana prakarai palatina tatra nana vidhani tatra vasuni santi prithvyameva santi. You know, various types of wealths are there in the earth, in the bed of earth, like you can take coal, petrol, gas, mica, iron ore. What is not there? Agriculture is there in the bed of the agriculture, fruits, what we are talking about, phala, nana phala, sasya, and what is not there? Even for enriched uranium, for the rocket fuel, all these things are there. So that is why it is called Prithvi Ratna Garbha. It has in its womb all the gems. Katyati it is called. Tani Ratnani, those gems, Tasyaha Uddhartum, to take out those various gems which are embedded in the womb of the Mother Earth. Rajna, by the king, Prajapalanam Apekshaniyam. He should concentrate on protecting the people. That is his foremost duty. What is the foremost responsibility and duty of a king? Is to protect and nourish the people. Protect and please the people. Ranjana, that is what we have recalled. Praja Ranjanam. Ranjanat Raja. Praja Ranjanat Raja. So Ranjana means entertaining. Protection and pleasing the people. That is the foremost duty of the king. So by that, Prajapalanam Apekshaniyam. Tenaiva, by that only, Prajodharana Sambhavaha. By this act alone, Praja Uddharana Sambhavaha Bhavati. So there is a possibility of uplifting the standards of the people. Prajodharana Sambhavaha. Next.
Yatha vatseshu samyak jivatsu
Gaur Dugdam Datum
Prabhavati Tathaiva Prajasu Sukham Jivatsu
Rajna
Sasyadi Phalam Sampraptum
Shakyamiti Bhav. That is Yatha Vatseshu Samyak Jivatsu. When the calves are living well, when the calves are looked after well, and when they are well fed and looked after, Gauhu, a cow, Dugdham Datum Prabhavati. A cow is able to give us milk only when the calves are well nourished, well looked after. Vatseshu Samyak Jivatsu. When the calves are living well, looked after well, Gauhu Kim Datum Prabhavati? Dugdam Kshiram Datum Prabhavati. Cow is able to give us milk only when the calf is well looked after well. Tathaiva, in the similar manner, Prajasu Sukham Jivatsu. When the people are living happily, when people live happily, Prajasu Sukham Jivatsu Satsu. Here this is Sati Saptami. Prajasu Sukham Nama Sukhena Jivatsu Satsu. When people are living happily, Rajna, by the king, Sasyadi Phalam Sampraptum Shakyam. It is possible for the king to get good crop and good yield, good fruits, various types of fruits, etc. So, Srinivas, in Indian, we Indians consider agriculture as the ultimate thing. So our economy also fluctuates. If there are good rains, then index goes up. Otherwise, the index comes down. No rains, index goes down. Real wealth, that is food only, food production. So a king, in order to make his country, so what wonderful suggestion given here by Bhartruhari. So evam षट् चत्वारिंशः श्लोकः सुसम्पन्नः जातः इदानीं सप्तचत्वारिंशः श्लोकः पठ्यतां श्लोकः वसन्ततिलकं श्रीनिवास
सत्यान्युता च परुषा प्रियवादिनी च हिंसा दयालुरपि चार्थपरा वदान्या नित्यव्यया प्रचुर नित्यधनागमा च वरांगनेव नृपनीतिः
नृपनीतिरनेक रूपा. This is also a wonderful poem, very much applicable to the modern times. Padachedam kurmaha. Satya anruta cha parusha priyavadini cha himsra dayaluhu api cha arthapara vadanya नित्य व्यया प्रचुर नित्य धनागमा च वारांगना इव नृपनीतिः अनेक रूपा। अन्ते यह शब्दः प्रयुक्तः नृपनीतिः उपान्ते अनेक रूपा वर्तते। राज्ञः नीतिः अनेक रूपा रीतिः भवति। कथम अनेक रूपा अस्ति इति उपरि त्रिषु वाक्येषु तत्र पादेषु वर्णितमस्ति। सो पदपरिचयं श्रीनिवास। सत्या विशेषण पदम अनृता परुषा प्रियवादिनी। Now in this poem, the main subject is Nrupa Nitihi, which is Strilinga. Niti Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Therefore, Yani Yani Visheshana Padani Tatra Prayuktani Santi Sloke Tani Sarvanyapi Strilinge Santi. Not necessary that it should be Ikaranta Strilinga, but it takes its own. Like Satya Akaranta Strilinga, Anruta Akaranta Strilinga, Priya Vadini, Vadin Shabda, Nakaranta, Vadini, etc. So that is what Himsra. Himsra. Which one? Innanta it is. Here it is used. It is said, but it becomes Ikaranta. It is Innanta. Priyavadi. Pullinge Priyavadi. Priyavadinau. Priyavadinaha. Cha avyam Himsra Akara. Himsra. Right pratyaya. That. Dayaluhu, like Guruhu, api avyayam, cha avyayam, arthapara. Sorry. Madanya, nityavyaya, akaranta strilinga. Prachura nitya dhanagama. Cha avyayam, varangana. Iva. Nrupa Nitihi. So this is the main word is this Nrupa. Nrupanam Nitihi iti. Aneka Rupa Akara. Akanksham. Analysis is like this. Bhavati, there is. Nrupa Nitihi Kidrushi Bhavati. How is the policy of kings? The policy of kings is both truthful and false. Anruta. It is at the same time. Nrupa nitihi tadrushi bhavati. न केवलं सत्या भवति अनृता च समकाले अनृता च अस्ति नास्ति माया रूपिणी इयं नीतिः नृपनीतिः माया रूपिणी मायावत् अस्ति चेत् अस्ति नास्ति चेत् नास्ति सत्यं सत्यम् असत्यम् अस्ति नृपनीतिः पुनः कीदृशी भवति अगेन हाउ इज द policy of the kings. न केवलं नृपाणां नीतिः सत्यानृता च भवति परन्तु नृपनीतिः परुषा कदाचित् हार्श भवति प्रियवादिनी कदाचित् प्रियवादिनी very pleasing sweet speaking policy. पुनः नृपनीतिः कीदृशी again how is the policy of the kings? Yes, at times it also becomes himsra, very merciless, murderous, cruel, bloody, cruel. Himsra means cruel or murderous also you can say. We know how politicians indulge in murders, so himsra only. That word is also there, murderous, cruelities. They indulge in cruelty. Dayaluhu, sometimes the same policy sometimes is very compassionate also, kind. Yeah. पुनः कीदृशी, पुनः नृपनीति कीदृशी भवति?
नृपनीतिः अर्थपरा वदान्या च भवति.
Arthapara, that is extremely, stingy. Arthapara. Arthapara means extremely spendthrift. Like there is one word. Spendthrift, you know the word spendthrift means one who does not spend easily. One who spends with a lot of calculation is called spendthrift. So extreme unwillingness to spend money is called arthapara. Unwillingness to spend money. Vadanya, very liberal. Vadanya is very liberal. Sometimes very hard to spend policy, sometimes very liberally they do. Punaha Nrupaniti Kidrushi, again how is the policy of the
Nrupaniti Nityavyaya Prachura Nitya Dhanagama cha bhavati.
Yeah, Nityavyaya, always spending, Prachura Nitya Dhanaga. Sometimes the policy is to spend, go on spending, Prachura Nitya Dhanagama cha, and always to see to the income only. Either spend or to look to the income, all the time look for the income. Large, Prachura Nitya Dhanagama means always eyeing to gain large sums of money. Prachura means that, lot of money. Prachura Nitya, always Dhana Agama cha bhavati. Itham, in this way, Nrupanitihi Kidrushi. In this way, how is the policy of the kings? So, therefore, Itham Nrupanitihi, Nrupanam Nitihi, Aneka Rupa Bhavati. It has several forms. Sometimes it is murderous, sometimes it is very kind, sometimes it is very stingy in expenditure, extremely unwilling to spend, sometimes it is very liberal, sometimes it is spending all the time, sometimes it is always making money, and finally, one more is missing here. One more is Nupanitihi Kaiva Aneka Rupa. How, like what is the policy of the kings? Like what? Varangana iva. So Nrupanitihi, Nrupanam Nitihi, the policy of the kings, Varangana iva, Veshya iva. Veshya iva Aneka Rupa Bhavati. See, Bhartruhari has compared the political or the policy of these policy makers to that of a harlot, a courtesan or a prostitute. Like a prostitute tries to woo the customer all the time by various means, by putting on different dresses, makeup, this and that, by music, by singing, etc., to fleece the money from the people. A king also changes his color policies in order to make money. So in no way Bhartrihari finds any difference between Varangana, Veshya and Nrupanitihi and the policy of the kings. Because it is not the constant thing. Policy of these politicians or the rulers is not always the same. It fluctuates. Sometimes it is like this, sometimes it is, sometimes like this. So, with what can he compare? Now he got fed up, Bhartrihari. So he has got the Varangana iva Nrupanitihi Aneka Rupa. Anvayartham Srinivas.
Satya Anuta cha Parusha Priyavadini cha Himsra Dayanuku api Arthapara Vadanya cha Nityavyaya Prachura Nitya Dhanagama cha Itham Nrupanitihi Varangana iva Aneka Rupa Bhavati.
Satya, you know what is Satya? Anrutacha, Parusha, Priyavadini, truthful, false, very harsh, and at the same time very pleasing, or speaking very sweet words. Himsra, very cruel, Dayaluhu, kind, and also Arthapara, always given to make money. Vadanya, liberal. Nityavyaya, spending, always spending. Prachura Nitya Dhanagama, always gaining money in large amounts. Itham, in this way, Nrupanitihi, the policy of the king, Varangana iva, Veshya iva, Aneka Rupa Bhavati. Okay, Srinivas? Padartham. Satya, yathartha swarupa, yathartha, truthful. Anruta cha.
Asatya swarupa api.
So this definition is something like Vedantic description of Maya. Ishwarasya shaktihi Maya na sati na asati. See the statement in some Upanishad. Ishwarasya shaktir Maya na sati na asati. Neither it is there nor it is not that it is not there. It is neither existing nor not existing. Anirvachya, it is indescribable. So, Satya, Anruta.
Isham, Aisham.
So, Satya, Anruta. One way, sometimes it is truthful, sometimes it is false. It is something like this. Tadejati, tannejati, taddure, tadantike, tadantarasya sarvasya. And the ultimate Parabrahma walks, he does not walk. He is very near, he is very far. So something contrasting. So here Nrupaniti is also like that. But I should be pardoned by scholars for recalling that Vedantic sloka here. This is Rajaniti. This is Rajaniti. But maybe Bhartrhari is a learned philosopher. He must have had something in mind when he composed this. Parusha, Kathora, Priyavadini cha, Mrudubhashini, Himsra, Himsamayi, Dayaluhu api, Arthapara. There is one word in English, Srinivas, for this. Parsimonious. Parsimony. Parsimonious. A person who is totally unwilling to spend anything. So that is Arthapara. So later that Arthameva Param Yasyaha, that is called Arthapara, which is not given in your samasas. Arthameva Param, that means money is ultimate thing. Artham eva param yasyaha. Sa arthapara. That attitude in which money is ultimate. Understand?
Yeah.
So there is an English word like parsimony. Parsimony. Sorry. P-A-R-S-I-M-O-N-Y. Parsimony. Next, Vadanyacha.
Audarya Purnacha.
Nitya Vyaya.
Nitya Vyayashriya.
Always given to spending. Itham Rupaniti. Oh, sorry, there is one more. Prachura Nitya Dhanagamacha.
Nitya Labdha Bahu
Vittacha. Nitya Labdha Bahu Vittacha. Always getting lot of money. Itham Rupaniti. This way, the policy of the kings. Varangana Iva. Ganika, Veshya, or same. Aneka Rupa. Bahurupa. Bhavati. Asti Vartati. Bhavartam.
Yatha Veshyayaha Eka Nitihi na bhavati tathaiva Nrupanitihi api aneka rupa bhavati.
Very simple it put. Yatha, just as Veshyayaha Eka eva Nitihi na bhavati. Na Niti na Vesha Vishaye na kevalam Nitihi tatra ekameva rupam na bhavati tatra. Ekam rupam na darshayati Veshya. भिन्न भिन्न रूपानि तत्र दर्शयति. भिन्न भिन्न पुरुषेभ्यः भिन्न भिन्न रूपानि दर्शयति. एवं रूपेण तत्र धनाकर्षणं भवति. कायाकर्षणेन धनाकर्षणं. By exhibiting the kaya. Tataiva Nrupanitihi. Similarly, the king's policy. Api aneka rupa. It is of various forms. Sa. No, this is applicable to even a Vesha also. Sometimes a Vesha, Ganika, a prostitute, sometimes she is truthful. She may be truthful to some customer. Sometimes she is false to people, isn't it? So, Niti, every aspect here described by Mahakavi, applicable to both Rajaniti as well as Veshyaniti. Next.
कदाचित्
Katubhashini
कदाचित्
Priyavadini. Now you can say policy of the kings is such that sometimes they speak harshly, sometimes they speak very pleasingly. Similarly, a Vaishya also speaks. Sometimes if the customer is very hardcore, then she has to use Purusha Vak. Otherwise, pleasing Vak. So, that way we have to understand. Next.
हिंसामयी कृपालुरपि.
She has to be sometimes cruel to people. The policy of the king also has to be cruel to some people. Cruel to cruel people, kind to kind people, you can understand? Yeah.
धनपरायणा बहुप्रदा च.
And always she wants to make all the time. Prostitute always wants to make money. And similarly, king's policy is to make money, earn money. And also give also, not only giving. But I don't know how it is to be related there. Maybe there are some people we don't know who are also liberal. They may be making some donations. In the case of Vaishya. Dhanagama cha bhavati. Always spending. Yes, king. As far as kings are concerned, they have to all the time spend for the comforts of the people. But this aspect has to be looked into, that we don't know. Prachura Dhanagama is understandable, applicable to both cases, that king is always with an eye to make money, and the lady also, under description, also always wanting to make more money. Only one thing, Nitya Vyaya Sheela, we can understand that is, people who earn by way of this trade, they may be also spending. We don't know that. So that is it, Srinivas. Nidarshanamsha, Vyakaranam, Sandhi, Satyanruta, Dayaluhu api Savarnadirastha. No, first is Savarnadir. No, first is Savarnadirastha. Dayalurapi, Dayaluhu, Charthapara, Savarnadir. Varanganeva, Varangana plus Nrupaniti Raneka Rupa. Visargasa. Samasa Nitya Vyaya.
Nityam Vyaya Yasyaha Sa Bahuvrihi Samasa.
Nityam, if you take as an adjective or adverb also, Vyaya, always Vyayaha, expenditure, Yasyaha Sa. Sa Nitihi, Raja Nitihi. That policy of the king where always money is spent. Now this aspect, as I said, Srinivas, may be true also in their case. Varangana Vishaye api ayam Vishaha Satyam Bhavet. Satyaha Bhavet. We don't know. Prachura Nitya Dhanagama. Prachuraha Nityam. Again Bahuvrihi. Sa Nitihi. Sa means Sa Nitihi. Or Sa Varangana. Yasyaha, whose Dhanagamaha, income, Nityam, always, Prachuraha, more. Now I am coming from back to front. Sa Nitihi Sa Varangana, that policy or that courtesan, whose income always is more. Next. Nrupanitihi. This is Shashti Tattva, the policy of the kings. Aneka Rupa. Anekani Rupani Yasyaha Sa Nitihi Sa Varangana Yasyaha, whose Rupani, forms, Anekani, are many. If you understand Bahuvri coming from this right to left, is very good. So one more you can add up here. Artha Para. Artham. Artha eva param yasyaha sa. Artha para. Sa, that policy or that lady. Srinivas?
Yes.
Artha eva param. Whose objective, ultimate objective is only money. Artha para. Whose eye is solely bent upon making money. Greedy. In other words, Artha para also means greedy, Srinivas. Artha para means greedy. Krudanta Shabdaha. Amruta.
An plus nru plus
It is a mistake here. Nru is not correct. Ru dhatu is there. Rushi ru. An plus ru gati prapanayoho. We have that ruchati, brahma nirvanam, ruchati is there. This is Bhuvadigana only, I think. Yeah, Bhuvadigana. It was ruchati, ruchataha, ruchanti, to go and get. To go get. It is not nru shabd, that is mistake. An plus nru is wrong. An plus ru plus ta. Anruta. Ru becomes ruta in the tanta. Understand?
Yes.
But some say it is irregular. Srinivas.
Yeah.
Irregular. Anyway. Priyavadini.
Vadai dhatu nini.
Nini. That is Vadini Shabda. Vadati. Priyam Vadati. Himsra.
Hims dhatu.
Ra. Pratyaya. Ra is a pratyaya there. In Krudanta. Vyaya. V plus in plus ach. Agama. Angiti upasarga. Gamiti dhatu. Acheti pratyaya. Nitihi. Ni is dhatuhu. Ktin pratyaya. Vayam janimah. So taditanta dvayam. Satya. Sat yat.
Sato bhavaha satyam.
So Sataha Bhavaha. Gita's poem is there, na? Second chapter. What is that poem? Na sato vidyate bhavaha, na bhavo vidyate sataha. That something like that. So sataha bhavaha, the abstractness of existence is called satyam. The abstract, the satyam. Dayaluta.
Daya.
Aluch. Aluch is the pratyaya. So dayalu. Then tal, where you get ta. Dayaluta. Over. Then chandaha is Vasanta Tilakam. Asya Lakshanam. Ashtadasha Slokasya Vivarane. Purvameva Dattamasti. Koshaha Srinivas. The time permits?
We have 2 minutes.
Huh?
2 minutes.
2 minutes only. Just read, we'll explain later. Koshaika. Dayaluhu.
Sya dayaluhu
Karunikaha. Iti Amara Kosha. Dayaluhu Karunikaha. You know, Karuna Shabda comes from this. Karuna Nidhi, Karuna Payonidhi. Dayaluhu. That Vitpatti we'll see later. Vadanya. Syur. Sihu. That is Sihu. If you break this. No. Sihu. Vadanya Stula Lakshya Dana Shaunda. Bahupradi. Amara Kosha. So these words are there in the sense of Vadanya. Vadanya, Sthula Lakshya. Vadanya, Sthula Lakshya. Then what is that? Dana Shaunda is another word. Sthula Lakshya is one word. Vadanya is one word. Dana Shaunda is one word. Bahuprada is another word. So all these are given in the sense of Vadanya, liberality, Srinivas.
Yeah.
How many? Vadanya 1, Sthula Lakshya 2, Dana Shaunda 3, Bahuprada 4. 4 words are synonymous here. Etani Chatvari Padanyapi Paryaya Padani. Parusha. Srinivas. Nishturam.
Parusham.
Gramam. Gramyam. Gramyam Aslilam. Gramyam Aslilam. Vulgar. Parusha. Harsh. We know. Nishturam. Nishturavak we say. Nishturam. Parusham. Gramyam. Rustic way of speaking. Gramyam. And then Aslilam. Aslila Vyavahara we say na. That. Varangana. Last.
Varastri Ganika Veshya.
Iti pare. Varangana now Varastri Ganika Veshya. Etani त्रीण्यपि तत्र पर्याय पदानि अवधेयं किम इव शब्द प्रयोग विषये. So watch the word iva used here, which is an avyaya and an upama vachaka shabda. Shubham bhuyat.